Escape to Koh Yao Yai, where serenity meets the sky. Koh Yao Yai, a hidden gem in the Andaman Sea, offers an escape to a serene paradise, away from the crowds. Known for its breathtaking beaches, lush jungles, and tranquil atmosphere, it's perfect for those seeking relaxation and adventure. Explore the stunning Ao Phang Na National Park, where you can kayak through emerald caves and mangrove forests. For a unique experience, discover local culture by visiting fishing villages, where you can savor fresh seafood and see traditional Thai life. The island also offers incredible diving opportunities, with vibrant coral reefs and an array of marine life. Don't miss the chance to ride through lush landscapes on a scooter or bike, taking in panoramic views of the coastline. Whether it's a day of exploring or simply unwinding on secluded beaches, Koh Yao Yai offers an unforgettable getaway. So, pack your bags and get ready for an authentic and peaceful island escape. Good vibes only.